Currently, we are discussing about how to convince customer. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are learning, it's totally waste until unless you are converting your prospect into potential customer. Like people have desire, that's why they approach to you, they come to you. But what is there which we are not attracting, which we are not getting him? It means something is lacking in us, and we do not try to find out the reason that why he or she has not taken a product, why he or she has not taken admission, why he or she has not become our customer. For that, as usual, I have been telling to you, we need to read books, we need to listen motivational videos, and we need to listen the people who have achieved. As I gave example just now as well about Bill Gates, what he says, be a public speaker. The number one skill, he says, according to him, I'm not saying that follow me and follow Bill Gates or follow someone else. Try to find out by yourself, try to learn by yourself. As we are teachers, only being a teacher is not enough. We have to learn many more things, right? So I was telling you why being a teacher is the best and great profession, because being a teacher, you can try anything, because a teacher has to be a public speaker, which, as just I told you about, Bill Gates says that number one skill is public speaking. And teacher can be a public speaker. Teacher has to have a public speaker. He has to be a public speaker. Second thing, selling. If you want to grow yourself more than others, if you want to become entrepreneur, if you want to become industrialist, or if you want to turn yourself into businessman, you have to have a selling skill. And what Jack Ma says, what Mr. Ratan Tata says, along with public speaking, if you need any skill which can grow you up, it is only selling skill. So according to me, whatever I have read, whatever I have heard, whenever I have met with the people and I have come across, I have only learned these two things. You have to get mastery on public speaking so that you can connect with the people. And for selling your product, selling your something, you have to maintain connections. You have to know how to connect with the people. Second thing, if you have connected, he or she must take your product. He or she must take admission. As I would like to say, there are some people who force for selling anything to anyone. Like that, one of my friends said to me that I have sold an insurance to the person who was not able to take. And I asked him how much he earns. He says that he earns less, but I've convinced him and I sold my insurance in a big amount, and he purchased. He arranged money from here and there and here and there, and he purchased. But in my mind I thought, because he was not able to purchase and he somehow arranged his first installment, but you did not think that how he would arrange second or third or for next 10 years or 20 years. Even you should have convinced him, or you should have trained him, or you should have sell your idea so that he can become able to earn that amount of installment. Not now, after 1 year he could be your customer. Not after 1 year, after 5 years he could be your customer. If you are making someone able to perform what you want from him, that's what according to me convincing. As like there are many of students who are not able to purchase our admission, as you know, but what we say, we will make you able to get the job first. Get the job. Just yesterday we had a conversation. He was asking for the job and he was able, but he was not getting the way. We said, okay, first of all you get the job. We have taken his resume. Within next 2 days his interview is there. He is good because I have told about him to the one who will take his interview. He has to face interview. If he is good at, according to me, he is the right candidate. He would definitely get a job in night. In the morning he has to, around 2 or 3 o'clock he has to come back, and 9:30 he has to be here. First of all, we made him able to earn money. Then if he would like to continue this course, he would. If he understands, like when I did not take admission and he has provided this help to me, just if he would continue a diploma course, how much amount he would be able to get, because we will prepare him. So I did not convince him for myself. I have convinced him for his benefit. What was his benefit doing this course? People says that if you are able to sell comb to the bald, the one who has no ears, that's a selling skill. That's not a selling skill. What he would do, the one who has no ears, what he would do with the comb? Recognize what is the need and how he can get benefit of that comb. If you can convince him, like if you find out that he's a bald but he can't use that comb, try to come to know while talking, while making conversation, then do you get itching? Do you feel it? If you feel it, you can use it for itch also. And he is convincing, yes, I get itch and I can use it, then it's good. Otherwise, don't sell him. Find out while talking that in your family anyone is there who needs this comb. Like this is a story which we have been listening since our childhood, that sell a comb to the bald, then you are a good seller. No, it's not like that. Trend has been changed. The same people are coming. First of all, try to understand the students you are teaching. Try to understand what is the need of them. It's like I teach you English. How I have come to know that you need English, because in reality it's a global language, and when you are having good sense of humor, when you have good knowledge, how you can express. As I always say that Hindi is also necessary, because we are in India and we have to know Hindi. So we have to know how to speak in Hindi as well as in English. And then convincing, I'm talking about when you have influensive words, when you work for getting influensive words. Influensive word means, like if you say thank you so much, along with that if you add this thing, thank you so much for coming this year, thank you so much for giving your valuable time, I really feel very good being with you, thank you so much. So like thank you, and you converted something else, you added something else, so that is giving more value. Like as usual I say best of luck, instead of best of luck I said do your best. I always say do your best, because according to me best of luck means I don't let anyone remain on luck, because effort you are doing, why you are depending on luck? Do your best. Understand? So these are just influencing words which you have to grab, which you have to understand. When you understand the need of people while talking and you put influencing words, he or she understand that she is something else or he is something else. I should listen to him. And this is only possible when you have an innocent heart. Being a teacher, being a trainer, being a public speaker, being a seller, seriously, you have to have a beautiful heart which only think about people's benefit. The more you will think about people's benefit, the better you can convey your thoughts to them. Seriously, really. Just today also the two guys came I don't be professional with the customers, seriously, because for the customer, he wants to get satisfaction. Like an admission comes, they actually want to see that how kind of personality I am. If I talk about, okay, like we sell communication course, we sell HM course. So if we will professionally we will tell technical things to them. They are not going to understand technical things because they are not aware about it. They only want to know that क्या मैं English सीख पाऊंगा? Will I be able to speak English? After completion of this course, will I get confident? For the HM, will I be able to get job? Will I become good enough? We only need to convey the same thing. Yes, you will, because we have achieved this thing because of this, and you will do it like you are like that. We had like also the student same as you. We have converted him into this. Meet him, ask. That's how they feel. Wow. Means how you convey your message. However, your fees is very high. How you are expressing your views. For this thing, you have to have more than 1000% believe in your product, whatever you are selling. And the best thing is that for you all guys, you have learned English from English Coffee, and you are getting training. You are getting front office training. You are getting housekeeping training. You are getting production training from Hotel Management Fuchs India Institute. So why we are not so much enthusiastic about it? We have to have enthusiasm. As like you're a student of St. Genius, you're a student of SK Central College. You have to have a confidence, because you know when you come and you discuss, you feel so enthusiastic. But when it comes to meet with the people, we have to have more than that. People should feel how they're speaking like this, how they can trust, because you got that. The people whom I learned things like Ranbir sir, I always talk about, Gaurang sir, I always talk about, Amit Chaudhary sir, I always talk about, Pradeep sir, I always talk about, and the one who helped me a lot, Mr. Viren, he was with me most often. So they helped me a lot. Why I say? Because I believe in them. Because of them I have become something. You understand? So the one who is helping us in terms of product, we have to believe. So it's very easy for us to sell these courses because we have good results. We have turned. Alright? So all over I would like to say, first of all, understand the need while making conversation. Why the need of that person is, why he want to continue, why he want to learn, how his desire level is, how its background, so that we can understand, we can try to mold him. Okay? To the students, I would love to say, be a humorous little bit. Not little bit, you have to be more humorous, because a student participates with you when you do not give him tasks, when you involve him within the task. As like I involve you all, I know this work cannot be done by Deepshika, this work cannot be done by Sonali, and this work cannot be done by Nikhil, this work cannot be done by Amar. But still I do, because I want to involve you in that. And when you involve, like Lokendra is performing a diploma course, Yogendra is performing degree course, but still they are doing local sales marketing, they are doing marketing, and they are doing public speaking, speeches, practices on real platform. Why I'm providing them? Because I'm trying to involve in realities. Some of the students are only in the classes. They are knowing technical things, but how to use those technical things, for that you have to come into arena. Until unless you will come outside and you will not perform, how you will come to know what the real result is, what is your potential is. After 4 to 5 activities, how did you feel? Look in. Good na? Did you feel any confidence? I know you might fear, but after some time you will be feeling so good. So I must tell you that being a teacher, being a trainer, we can do boom. Only we need to believe in our profession. We need to love our work through and through, wholeheartedly, and we should not convince people. We should love time. We should love spending time with them. For 5 minutes they come, they should feel wow. They should feel the way you are present, that's different, how they are treating well. And there are some of the things which we can't tell a lie to them. Tell them truth. Like we can't allow you without presence. Like some of the students come and says that sir, I can't attend the, but you have to say, however we have less admissions, it's okay. In English also, however they are not coming every day, sorry sir, we can't allow, because we are not giving you English, we are generating your future and we can't play with your future. Same with any product, do not deceive anyone. However he will purchase today, but next time he wouldn't come to you if you force him, if you give him wrong informations, if you do not give the value of his time. Okay, overall I'm going to recap it. Number 1, believe in yourself, get public speaking skills, get selling skills, right? Trust in your product, means try to know more and more about your product, have discussions with the people, be a master of that particular product and particular profession you are in. Being a teacher, I would say that be humorous, love teaching, explore world, try to learn different skills. And there are most of the things which are yet to tell, which I'm going to share you in next session. All right, till then, thank you so much. Bye, take care. Thank you for